everyone, how's everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. Looky! I'm so excited. This is Kit 24, 2 years old. So it's the birthday edition. Yay! So let's see what all we have in here, shall we? I need to make some room. Sorry if you haven't seen my other video, my scroller box one, and if you've noticed I've been absent, it's not because I was like, goodbye YouTube. It's just I've been busy changing rooms. I switched my craft room with Amanda's bedroom, so my studio's in her old room's my studio. So that took a few days. We bought new desk and dressers, so I had to put those together. That took a couple of days. So we've been busy little bees. So that's where I've been. Oh my gosh, I'm already excited. And I don't even know what I'm getting. All right, so this is called the Celebration Easel. Wow. All right, so let's see what we got. You know I'm gonna swatch everything. That's what I love to do. All right, so here's a glitter marker in Wild Lavender. Oh my gosh, let's hope it's that color right there because that is absolutely gorgeous. You know I love purple. It's one of my favorites. This is what I want to know. What is this? Oh, you can make little balloon things. Oh, we're gonna play. We're gonna play today. Those are cute. How many come in here? 10. Oh, so cool. I love those things. They make it so easy to do shaker cards. And you know I love doing shaker. Oh, get out of town, clown! Oh my gosh, I'm doing a happy dance in my chair that you cannot see. Oh, yay! It's a keychain, y'all. I love keychains. I have always collected keychains since I was little. So it's a little Nouveau crystal drops and just a circular thing on a keychain. Oh, I like it because I collect keychains. So yay! All right, what else do we have? We have some carrot stick hybrid ink, but last time I used the hybrid ink, I wasn't that happy, with it. And then we have antique copper hexagons. Oh my God, look how gorgeous. Let's open it up. Let's open it, shall we? What do we have? Oh my, look at that. Oh yes, yes. Whew, I love these glitters. Ooh, and they're gonna look so pretty. And then this is a Festival Gold Circles. So those are hexagons that I just showed, and these are circles. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's got a little bit of halo to it. It's got different colors. Oh, I love it. Let's see. What is this? This is crystal drops. I mean, not crystal drops, but glitter drops, it looks like. This is in, what color are you? It's hard to read this. Well, let's see. Let's find it on here. Ruby Slippers. Ruby Slippers. Oh boy, I can't wait to see what that looks like. And then we have, this is the vintage drops that kind of, they dry milky kind of. Opaque, I guess is the word I want to use instead of milky. And this is the color Colonial Blue. Okay, so we're gonna see what that looks like. Okay, I'm interested in knowing what the dies and the stamps. Oh yay, I get another book. Good, because it was time. My other ones, I needed another book, so that's cool. So, oh, let's open this up and let's see what the Rainbow Fever. Let's see what it looks like. Oh boy. Is it double-sided? It is double-sided, so that's nice. Okay, so we have like leopard skin on the back of the Ziggy Zaggies. And then we got the eggs, and it looks like we got like diamonds on the other side of that. We have these blues with like a purple leopard looking. And, oh, that's cool. I kind of like that. Stripes, but dash stripes. Oh! And then we have those stripes. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. That's kind of cool. I like that. Oh, boy. Let's see. Aw, cute. Celebrate. And I always put that on the front of my thing here, so you know which one it is. That's so cute. All right, so here's the stamps. Happy birthday, best wishes, it's your day. And hurrah, some candles, confetti, and stars. Then this looks like balloon, you know, like balloons, so that would go perfect with that. So we have that. So we'll stamp those to see what that's about. And then we always get, oh, y'all, look at this. Oh, they have shaker numbers. Oh my gosh, imagine how cute, cute, cute you can make the cards. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I love that. The Ruby Romance. Oh, they always have the prettiest papers. Not necessarily the packs, but the papers individual, which we'll look at in a minute for sure. Okay, and so of course we get die. Let's see, it's called the Celebration Easel Die Set, and we get 14 dies in it. So it looks like, I'm not even going to pretend. Okay, so you can die cut if you don't want to use shaker, right? So you can die cut the balloons out if you want to. Okay, so you know I'm going to get my die cutting machine out, and I'm going to cut all of these out just to see what they look like when they're die cut, because you know I have a hard time visualizing it with it just in the dies themselves. So I'm going to do that, and we'll come back with once I do that, and then we'll do the swatching of all this other goodies that I got. Alright, here's my favorite part too. I love their paper. They have the best paper on the planet. Oh, it doesn't look like we're getting very... Oh, yeah, probably like we normally do. Alright. So, this is probably just their plain paper. Their classic card is what they call it. This is in corn flake blue. Not cornflake. Cornflower blue. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love that color. And, of course, this is our mirror. Green mirror card. Emerald green. Again, the classic card, and this is in mustard yellow. Classic card in pumpkin orange. Isn't that beautiful? These are very fall-like colors, but these, look how beautiful these all three go together, though. I love that color scheme right there. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Love it. Oh, and then we have glitter paper Ruby Ritz. Oh, gosh. Yes, I just kissed that paper because it's gorgeous. Okay, so I think that's everything that we got. So the confetti that we got, let's see, I want to make sure I got everything. All right, okay, so the confetti is called Jingle Bells, and you get 2 pots of them. So Fiesta Gold and Antique Copper. So that's cool. And then the mini glitter in Ruby Slippers, the Colonial, the Carrot Stick, and the glitter marker. Yeah. And then the key ring. Yes. Alright. So, let me now get my die machine out. I'm going to cut out these dies in scrap paper, just so we can see exactly what they look like, so we know what we're dealing with here. And we'll take it from there. It looks like this. Looks like this goes into that. And again, they always, and on the paper they have it. There's the website you can go to, and they have how you use their dies on it. So if you ever get stuck and you're like, I don't know exactly what to do with this, you can always go there, and they're very, very, very helpful. All right, so let me do that, and once I get everything cut out, I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So let me show you what each thing cut out. So out of this set, this came, and I just put this in the middle of here just to, you know, save room or whatever. So, but that would be solid. So this would be perfect. Like, that would probably fit on there if you wanted it to, right? So, or you could put your sentiment on there or whatever. So that's really, really cute. But what's cool is like this can go onto here as well, like that. And apparently this is maybe a pop-up type situation, it looks like to me, because there's scoring here where you would fold, and I'm guessing it would go something like that maybe. I don't know. Again, you know, you can go to their website and see exactly what this is. I don't know, maybe you need 2 of them. Sometimes that happens, but I think it's cute. So that was this one, and then we do have a nest of circles, so that's kind of cool. And they all have different, like the medium one has a little scallop edge. I don't know if y'all can make that out. And then the smaller one has the little dots around the edge, which is cool. And then the bigger one is just plain. But they are nestables, as you can see, so that's cool. And then this little guy right here created this, like it's a little swirly jig. Isn't that cute? So it's something like that. That's so cute. And the balloons, of course, just create balloons for you. So we have these balloons, and you know, you could do something like that. Right? I would go behind, because that's, I think, is more what you need. Right? So there's your balloons. Aren't they cute? And so that was all on that one sheet. Middle. So when you do the middle, you get like these little confetti looking stars and little confetti in themselves, right? So that's what you get. But then when you also cut this out, this one right here, the yellow one, you get other little stars, 2 other little stars that in a balloon that you know. So that came from that. And then these are Celebrate, which has, you know, the outline with it. And if you don't want it in the outline, you can easily just take it out like so and leave it alone. Let it be just really beautiful, dainty. Same thing with Happy, with all of them. So Happy is still in there. If you don't want the outline, you don't have to use the outline. There's Happy. I love the fonts of these. And then here's Birthday. And then here's the outline of Birthday, if you want it to have an outline. So that is the dies. So very cool. I like those a lot. Alright, so now let's swatch this stuff, shall we? I got my little swatch book here that I always use. Alright, so let's do this. Let's make this fun. Boop, boop, doo, doo, boop, boop. Let's do the drops first. And again, this is Colonial Blue. I mean, it's like a pale gray. I don't know how that's festive, but Nuvo thinks it is. And then this is Ruby Slippers in the glitter. The other one was Vintage Drops. So it should dry a little opaque. Okay, so there's the glitter drop in Ruby. Alright, let's try the stamps. Let's see how they work for us. Okay, so let's try the stamps. And I'm just going to use this ink pad that they gave us, Carrot Stick, so we can see what the color that is. I mean, obviously it's orange, but what kind of orange? I don't know. So let's try it out. So I really enjoyed the color of the ink. It's more of a red-orange, and I liked the smoothness of it. It did make a nice impression. The stamps themselves are always good quality stamps. The only thing that I will say about the Nuvo stamps or Tonic Studios opposed to Simon Says stamps is the fonts. Sometimes their fonts are not as elegant looking, I guess you would say, like the Best Wishes, but they are getting better. I really do like this set a lot. So I really like the little stars and the little confetti swirly thingies. And I like that they included the balloon strings. So here I'm trying to figure out how to use these balloon die cuts with the string stamp. And I think if you put the balloons down first and then put the string, it might work a little bit better, because I feel like they need to be closer together. And then it dawned on me, well, maybe these are supposed to be backings for this shaker thing that we have here. And voila, they do fit, right? So I'm like, okay, well, let's just put these on the back of this so that, we can have a backing and then the confetti, and it'll be all nice and fun. Well, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it was my glue. I don't know if you're just not supposed to glue it in, if maybe you're supposed to use tape. Not sure. But I tried and tried for like, telling you, about 10 minutes to get these balloons glued down into there to have it as a backing, and it just was not cooperating at all. So I ended up just biting the bullet and flipping it over to put it down. And of course, when I did that, some of the confetti is going to fall out because it's not secured on there. But like I said, I was just tired of messing around with it. So, but it's cute though, either way. Look how cute that is. You have to admit, that is super cute, super easy too, right? And so now I'm checking out the pen just to see what it is. And look how glittery and shiny and purple. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. So that's it for this kit. I really enjoy it. Oh, I'm not sponsored, by the way. I always forget to say that. So, but I enjoyed the kit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.